Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Billionaires, a channel where you get the best insights into the crypto world. Don't believe me? Just keep watching till the end and know yourself. We'll talk about the newly launched crypto that helps investors to share $500,000 with a 100% winning rate. The title is about the guide to Karastar, but the video is much more about it. So in today's video, we'll cover what Karastar is, how to register for it, and why you need it. Not only this, we will also cover a piece of special news at the end, so stay tuned. Sounds too much, right? So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. Well, as we know that NFTs are taking the gaming industry to a whole new level by providing many new benefits that will completely revolutionize it both for players and game developers. As NFTs in gaming is all about creating value for the users and giving them real ownership rights over their acquired in-game components by making these components valuable digital assets, tradable within the cryptocurrency market, NFT marketplaces, and making the game itself having a real-life feeling and value. However, the use of NFTs in gaming enables the user to own the game collectibles and all items you can own within the game, and you also have full control of it in a decentralized system. This is not the case in the traditional gaming system where you can only view your game assets no matter how much you paid for it. Additionally, each of the items can have a unique identity that will be pegged to your account as long as you own them, and you cannot lose them if the game provider shuts down the game because it is within your wallets. This allows the users to securely store his assets without fear of theft. Also, monetizing assets and trading them on the marketplaces in exchange for crypto or fiat are other great benefits of NFT ownership. Note that blockchain application and reception is in its beginning phases, and more developments are jumping up step by step. Blockchain is an innovation that gives space for limitless developments in all things considered. NFT games are the same as any other virtual game, which can be played over any device or computer-based games utilizing the advantages of blockchain, but is turning into a progressive improvement to present-day realms of our present day. There is no question that the NFT gaming class will turn into a billion-dollar market soon in itself. But that's not it. There is a lot to say when it comes to introducing Karastar and while covering the reasons as to why you must be using it. Did you know you can play this smart chain-based card game with two modes, PvE and PvP? Well, yes you can. In PvE mode, players must explore the dungeon and defeat wild monsters with pets to unlock new levels. Different levels are rewarded differently, and the higher the level and the more difficult the level, the more rewards you receive. While exploring the dungeon, you may come across treasure boxes that contain random rewards such as UMY tokens, experience points, decorated props, and so on. Rich elements improve the gaming experience. On the other hand, the PvP mode battle system is a turn-based card game in which the player's goal is to destroy all enemies in front of his pet's team. Each turn, the player must strategically play his skill cards to improve his chances of winning within the rules. The winning team will receive a set number of UMI tokens. Different pet combinations will result in exciting and imaginative fighting strategies, making battles more interesting and competitive. They have launched tournaments to encourage users to participate in PvP. After the season, all participants will be rewarded according to their ranks. To dive deeper, players can choose to breed or evolve their pets. Pets can be bred to produce new offspring, but each pet has a maximum number of times they can be bred in order to avoid overstretching the pet population. They will no longer be able to breed once this number is reached. The genes of their parents will be passed down to their offspring. In order to raise the arena level, players can evolve their pets. Pet evolution allows pets to obtain the divinity gene. When the genes of powerful skill cards evolve into divine genes, players will crush opponents in the game and have the ultimate competitive experience. For NFT fans, it's very collectible due to the gene of good-looking appearance, glowing or transformable appearance, and so on. And how does it all work? Well, it's simple. To expand the worth of Karastar, an expense is charged from the makers. UMY is the in-game money of the game, which increments as the players advance in the game. Karastar is in excess of a game, and you can envision Karastar as a country with a genuine economy. For financial backers, no, is Karastar legit, as it's genuinely collectible because of the qualities of attractive appearance, gleaming or changeable appearance, etc. Now that I'm confident about your grip of the game, let's get the step-by-step guide in the first place to make a MetaMask account. Well, at first, only the registered MetaMask clients can join on the Karastar site utilizing MetaMask or email address, or you can also sign in to the Karastar application utilizing wallet and email by putting in your information in the blanks and doing the general formalities. So, after you create an account, the site will divert you to the dashboard, where you have to click on the marketplace and channel the Kara characters on special with low and exorbitant costs, low and high IDs. Next, you can know about is Karastar legit in the following area. Snap on the Kara you need to purchase. On the next page, the site will show the contact address of the merchant and different subtleties. Click on the Buy Currently button to buy Kara. Now that you're done registering, let's understand why you must play along with this upcoming giant. As per the sources, the future Karastar will be a truly grand metaverse presented in 3D. The planets in the universe will be sold to and autonomously owned by the players. Each planet holder will produce a portion of Kara tokens on a regular basis. Players will also be able to build planets using the development tools we provide. These planets will be linked by interstellar routes to form a metaverse that truly belongs to all. Now, if you talk practically though, currently GameFi is one of the most attractive trends in the crypto ecosystem, as it brings together decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and blockchain-based online games. However, many GameFi projects struggle to simultaneously achieve playability and profitability. As player interest diminishes, the game's token drops in value, bringing losses to gamers. Other games with guaranteed playability have poor economic models, which prevent gamers from earning revenue. Differently, Karastar presents to users a unique, durable play-to-earn ecosystem. The game features a credible smart contract system with open and transparent transactions. All gaming data is viewable on the blockchain, and players have full control of their assets. Moreover, players get to make an actual income from Karastar, whereas traditional games only come with the excitement of playing but no financial prospects. Finally, for those who stayed till the very end, as promised, the special news is that Karastar's beta starts on November 5th. Users get points by completing tasks on the official website during the beta period. The earned points can be redeemed for 500,000 USDT in tokens and NFT treasure boxes at the end of the beta with a 100% win rate. Now, don't miss out on this, and you'll thank me later. Thank you for watching the video, and if it added value to your time even a bit, don't forget to like it. To see more of the unique content, subscribe, and obviously to play along, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.